Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best oil sprayer on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Misto Oil Sprayer. The Misto sprayer is about as close as you'll get to the commercial aerosol sprayers, without the addition of any potentially harmful propellants. The BPA-free 2 mister deposits the same fine droplets so that your food gets the most even and consistent coating of oil possible. It's easy to use. The pump-style cap requires just 2 steps for operation. Simply pump the container and then press the valve on the pressurized sprayer to release the mist. It's highly versatile, too. You can use the sprayer for all of your favorite oils, as well as vinegars, citrus juice, sherry, or Marsala wine. If there's any downside, it's that this particular sprayer has quite a few parts to clean. Thankfully, you only need to give it a thorough scrub down every 6 to 8 weeks. Size, 2 into 7.75 inches, oil volume, 7 ounces, spray type, hand pump to build pressure, no aerosols. Materials, frosted glass bottle, also comes in stainless steel and plastic. What we like: easy to operate, BPA free, available in a variety of styles. What we don't like: can be difficult to clean. Number 2. Our second best pick is Norbase Olive Oil Sprayer. If one of the primary reasons you want an oil sprayer is to evenly dress salads or ready-to-eat veggies, we love the idea of this 2-pack. It affords you the opportunity to fill a second bottle with your favorite vinegar. Of course, you could also use the set for 2 different types of cooking oil if you regularly cook with more than one type. Either way, it's a nice luxury to have 2 different bottles on hand, no cleaning, drying, and refilling necessary. We love that the side of the glass bottle has measurements on it, too. This makes it extremely easy to whip up your favorite dressing directly in the bottle if you prefer something a little more flavorful than a duo of olive oil and vinegar. This set presents an extremely good value. It also comes with a basting brush, a cleaning brush, and a funnel for easy filling. Size, 2 into 7.5 inches, oil volume, 3 ounces, spray type, trigger spray nozzle, materials, glass bottle, stainless steel sprayer. What we like: great value. Comes with helpful accessories. Bottle has measurements. What we don't like: a bit top heavy. Number 3. Our third best pick is Evo 18-ounce Reusable Oil Sprayer. If you plan to use your oil mister for grilling, it's extremely important to have something durable. The last thing you want is broken glass on your patio. This spray bottle fits the bill since it's made from plastic. Don't worry, it's latex, BPA, and DHP free. Another important characteristic: at a whopping 18 ounces, the sprayer is nice and large, so you can use it for spritzing large cuts of meat with more than just oil. Think vinegar sprays for pork butt and more. Like other oil sprays by Evo, this one sprays in vertical and horizontal fan patterns for optimum coverage and control. You'll know exactly how much oil is being deposited and exactly where it's going. Size, 5.75 into 2.5 into 9 inches, oil volume, 18 ounces, spray type, trigger spray nozzle, materials, BPA-free plastic. What we like: large capacity, even coverage, durable. What we don't like: may retain odors and flavors. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Reusable Oil Spritzer. There's a lot to love about this sleek oil sprayer. The sprayer has a host of great design features, especially for the budget-friendly price: a slim and easy-to-hold food-grade glass bottle, a stainless steel nozzle, and an anti-slide design. There's no need to spend extra time pumping either. To operate the oil mister, all you have to do is gently press the button. The result is a fine mist that perfectly coats food, whether you're spraying olive oil or another cooking oil, vinegar, or soy sauce. To add to the value, the sprayer also comes with 2 cleaning brushes, one small and one large, as well as an additional tube to increase the item's usable lifespan. Size, 1.6 into 7 inches, oil volume, 4 ounces, spray type, hand pump to build pressure, no aerosols, materials, glass bottle, stainless steel sprayer. What we like: sleek, easy to hold, comes with cleaning brushes. What we don't like: mist isn't always consistent. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Purelite Continuous Spray Olive Oil Mister. The pretty blue color of this glass bottle does more than add to the aesthetic, it helps darken the bottle to keep sunlight out, thus prolonging the shelf life of the oil inside. The glass is also nice and thick and coated with a safety film to prevent breakage in case it slips out of your hands while you're working. Thanks to its pump-style operation, the sprayer deposits a very thin, even mist that's perfect for a wide range of uses, including coating food or baking pans. To use, simply raise and lower the cap to pump up the bottle about 30 times until you feel resistance. Then, when you press down on the nozzle itself, it dispenses the perfect coating of cooking oil. Size: 2.2 into 7 inches, oil volume, 4 ounces, spray type, hand pump to build pressure, no aerosols, materials, glass bottle with light blocking finish. What we like: durable, dark glass to prevent spoilage. What we don't like: have to pump it 30 times. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.